How to do text-to-speech on Capcut. Hi there, today we'll learn how to create your own videos from converting a text into speech using the Capcut application. What you just need to do is to open the application and click on New Project. And here, what you need to do is just click on a video or an image that you want to incorporate text on it. So for example, I have this video that I created earlier. Then I'll just type in text and then add a text in here. Once you have typed in the text, you can change the font, you can modify the style and the effect as well. And you can also add animations as well for you to modify on how the text would look like on the video. Here you can change the color, you can change the art style of the font. Once done, you can go to animations and then you can go ahead and click on what type of animations you want the video or the text to be in on the video. So here you can modify or align and resize the text to make sure that it would fit on the video. So here, now that's incorporated, let's now convert this to speech. Here on this text option, you just need to scroll down to the right where you can just click on text to speech, and then you can choose what voice you want the text to be in. So there's a lot of pre-made voices that you can use depending on what the video would like to deliver on that type of voice. Here, so when you play it, it will automatically play the video while converting the text to speech, and that's how you do it. You can just save and export the video, and that's how to convert text to speech here using CapCut. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.